Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter of accountancy for class 11th and the name of the chapter is accounting standard. So students, first of all, we will have to understand what is the need of accounting standards. Accounting standards is an information system and its main aim is to provide financial information to the various users such as investors, management, creditors, government authorities, tax authorities, and many other parties. Such information is provided through a set of financial statement and financial statement included profit and loss account and balance sheet. The profit and loss account informs about the profitability position of the business and the balance sheet shows the result of the financial position of the business. Nature of accounting standards. Accounting standard is a set of rules and practices. There are some rules and practices that is called policies which provide a base for the financial statement. Accounting standards also remove the diverse effect of accounting. It means it provides a smooth flow of the organization. Accounting standards also preferred accounting treatment and it also provides a set of methods for solving one or more accounting problems. It means that with the help of accounting standard, any business organization can solve their accounting problems. Accounting standards provide information to the various users related from financial statement. And accounting standards also provide the accountant about the following function in respect as they are just like laws. It means that accounting standard is a one type of law that is followed by every business organization for doing the accounting transaction. Objectives of accounting standards. Accounting standards ensure uniformity in the preparation and presentation of financial statement. It means that accounting standards provide a common rule for every organization. It means that the rules are same for every organization, that is uniform rules. It means common rules. So that provide uniformity. The second main objective of accounting standard is it provide policies to the users related from the financial statement. It removes the diverse effect of the accounting policies and it ensure consistency, transparency and comparability of financial statement. It means that with the help of accounting standard, the rules are same for every year. It means that once any rule are adopted, that year by year the same rule is adopted. That is consistency concept. Transparency, it means that there is no chances of fraud. And comparability, if the rules are same every year, that time intra-firm competition or inter-firm competition are possible. And the last objective of accounting standard is to improve the reliability and credibility of the financial statement. Here, some benefit of accounting standard is also given that first one is accounting standard improve the reliability and credibility of the financial statement. It means that the accounting standards is very useful for the users of accounting like investors, management, creditors, employees, government officials and researchers. They provide financial statement. It included profit and loss account and balance sheet. The profit and loss provide the profitability position of the business and the balance sheet shows the financial position of the business. The second main benefit is accounting standards ensure the consistency and comparability of financial statement. Accounting standard makes the financial statement different enterprises or the same enterprises for different accounting periods. It means that With the help of accounting standards, intra-firm or inter-firm comparison is possible. Intra-firm comparison means compare with same firm, and inter-firm comparison means comparison with the other firms. So it is only possible with the help of accounting standards. The next one is accounting standards helps in resolving the conflict of financial interest among the various groups. There are various groups in the accounting and each have their own interest. So there are lots of chances of conflicts. So accounting standards always remove the conflict between various parties. For example, the shareholder and creditors may have different opinions, but with the help of accounting standard, the accounting conflicts can be removed. Accounting standards significantly reduce the chances of manipulation and frauds because it provides a common rule for every organization. So there are less chances of frauds and manipulation in the accounts. Helpful to auditors. In accounting, there are various set of rules and regulations that helps to the auditors in the auditing. It also removes the chances of frauds, insufficient disclosures, etc. Some limitation of accounting standards. First one is restrict initiative. Accounting standard is restrict initiative in nature because for better presentation and disclosure, restrict initiative should be adopted. Rigid in nature. Accounting standards are rigid in nature. It means that with the effect of time, it cannot be changed. Based on historical cost. Accounting standard always based on historical cost, and the depreciation is also charged on historical cost. It means that with the help of accounting standards, we cannot represent the actual value of the assets. That is one of the major disadvantage. Obstruct judgment of the auditors. Accounting standards obstruct the judgment of the auditors because if one auditor follows other method and the other auditors follow the other method of depreciation, so their judgment is also different. So it is also one of the major disadvantage of accounting. Accounting standards, that is Indian accounting standards. Indian accounting standards are Indianized version of International Financial Reporting System or standards. That is the short form of IFRS. And IFRS is a set of accounting standards developed by IASB. The full form of IASB is International Accounting Standard Board, on the basis of which financial statement of enterprise are prepared. Some silent characteristics or features of Indian accounting standards are: Indian accounting standards are the modified version of IFRS. Indian accounting standards are comprehensive and cover a wide area comprising revenue, expenses, losses, assets, liabilities and equity. Indian accounting standards are principle based, that we already studied in chapter 3. Indian accounting standards are transparency in the nature and accountability of financial statements. Objective of Indian accounting standards: it provides a uniform rules and regulation for all the accounting transactions. It provides information to the users about the policies of the financial statement. It removes the diverse effect. It ensures consistency, transparency and comparability of the financial statement. And with the help of Indian accounting standards, the accounting transaction improve their reliability and credibility. Merits of Indian accounting standard. Indian accounting standard is suitable for Indian condition because Indian accounting standard is based on Indian conditions. Clear guidelines for financial reporting. Indian accounting standard has clear guidelines for financial reporting system. Uniformity in the financial reporting. It means that if any method once adopted, that method should be remain same year to year. It means that uniform rules applied in the case of Indian accounting standards. Helpful to investor. Indian accounting standard provide high quality, relevant, reliable, transparent and comparable information that is very helpful for investor for investing their money in any type of business. Difficult to commit fraud and manipulation the accounts. The Indian accounting standards also helpful of removing the fraud and manipulation of account. Difference between accounting standard and Indian accounting standard. Accounting standards were based on international accounting standards, and Indian accounting standard is the based on international financial reporting standards. Rule based or principle based. Accounting standards are rule based, which are long and complex, but Indian accounting standards are principle based and they report the essence of the transaction. Language used. Accounting standards are drafted in technical language, but Indian accounting standards are drafted in simple and clear language. Fair value of assets. Accounting standards follow the age-old concept of historical cost. It means that the accounting standard based on historical cost method, but the Indian accounting standard based on fair value of fixed assets. It means market value. Trust and reliance by international investors. Accounting standards are not treated with trust and reliance by international investors. But Indian accounting standards are based on IFRS, hence they are command higher trust. It means that accounting standards are less trustworthy and Indian accounting standards are more trustworthy. Uniformity. Accounting standards do not ensure uniform rules, but Indian accounting standards follow the uniform rules. Multiple reporting. Accounting standards require multiple reporting for companies located in different countries, but Indian accounting standards have no multiple reporting system. So, with this, our chapter is finished. Now, with the help of next video, we will discuss our next chapter.